Good morning, students. So, we are studying the topic population explosion and the birth control. We are studying this topic. So, in this topic, we are going to study a new things, that is, what is the scientific method of control of birth. ठीक है, scientific methods of birth control. The basic scientific research of human reproductive biology has resulted in the discovery of method measures to reduce the family size. A wide range of contraceptive methods are currently available. So first thing we are going to discuss is natural method. What is the natural methods? Okay, so natural method of birth control work on a principle of avoiding the chances of the sperm and the ovum meeting. These meeting do not make use of any drug chemical devices. Hence, side effects are almost nil, but the chances of failure are high. Such methods are including like periodic abstinence, quietus interruptus, ठीक है, lactational. So all these are the some topics we are going to study in the natural method. The first one is we are going to study is periodic abstinence. See, in this method, what happened? The couple avoid or abstain from sexual intercourse, coitus, from the 10th day or of 10th day to 17th day of menstrual cycle. In which what they do, they avoid what? The abstain from a sexual intercourse or coitus from the 10th day to 17th day of menstrual cycle. During this time, around 14 day, ovulation is accepted, and hence the chances of fertilization is very high. This period is also fertile period, and abstaining from sexual intercourse during this period is accepted to prevent conception. Okay, and the second method is coitus interruptus. ठीक है, what coitus interruptus? It is commonly called withdrawal method. In this method, the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation to avoid insemination and hence fertilization. ठीक है, in this method what the male partner do, he withdraw his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation to avoid insemination and hence fertilization. But this method has certain drawbacks, like male produces a fluid from copper gland for lubrication even before ejaculation, and this fluid bring with the number of sperm which can fertilize the ovum. A lapse in the timing leading to the late withdrawal can lead to be fertilization and pregnancy. ठीक है, तो these are the some drawbacks of this methods. First one is the male produce a fluid from a copper's gland for lubrication. For what? For lubrication even before ejaculation, and this fluid brings with the number of sperms which can fertilize the ovum. A lapse in timing leading to late withdrawal can lead to be fertilization and then pregnancy. फिर I talked about the another method of natural reproduction. Natural method is, so another natural method is lactational amenorrhea. Like lactational amenorrhea refers to the absence of ovulation in and menstrual cycle during intense lactation following parturition, like childbirth. That is, when mother breastfeeds the infant, chances of copulation are almost zero. During this method has been reported the effective up to maximum period of 6 months following parturition. So next, these are the some natural methods. Next we are going to study is about artificial method. So there are many effective, safe and expensive contraceptive methods available to choose from. Both, one should be remembered that selection of a sustainable contraceptive method, its use should be done under the supervision of qualified medical practitioner. Okay, the contraceptives are not regularly requirement to maintain reproductive health. They are actually practiced against the natural method to prevent pregnancy for various reasons. Like now we are going to study the characteristics of ideal contraceptives. An ideal contraceptive should possess the following characteristics, like it should be easy available, it should not interface with the sexual drive and or the sexual act of the users, it should be effective, it should be reversible and no less side effects. ठीक है, तो contraceptives have found in the widespread use and played a significant role in the checking the uncontrolled excess growth of population, but there is has a certain ill effects. Like what are the ill effects of contraceptive, like abdominal pain, ठीक है, ब्रेक द ब्लीडिंग, इरेगुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लीडिंग, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, ठीक है, ऑल दीज आर सम पॉसिबल इल इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस ऑफ द यूज ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स. फिर ओरल, देर आर ऑल्सो कम ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स. ठीक है, व्हाट आर द ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स, लाइक स्मॉल डोजेज ऑफ प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन अलोन or progesterone estrogen combination are administered as contraceptives in the female, and they are generally taken in the form of tablet, hence commonly known as pills. These pills have been taken for a period of 21 days starting within the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. After the gap of 7 days during the time when menstrual occurs, they have to be repeated in the same manner. Saheli is one of a weak pill which contain a non-steroidal components called what? Centromin. It is manufactured by a Central Drug Research Institute, like like what? CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. Pills, like pills are preferred to by the female as they are very effective and produce little side effects. Pill work for the following ways, like as contraceptives are: they suppress ovulation, they inhibit implantation, they alter the quality of cervical mucus which prevent the entry of sperm. ठीक है, and another thing is like another artificial method is like intrauterine devices like IUDs. ठीक है, these are the metallic or the plastic objects placed in the uterus of female by qualified nurse or a doctor. It is most widely accepted method of contraceptives in India. Like types of IUDs are like intrauterine devices are present available in the following forms, like non-medicated IUDs are like Lippes loop, copper ion releasing IUDs like copper CU, and multi-load 375. Hormone releasing IUDs are like progesterone, LNG20. So these are the some IUDs. Method of action of IUDs are like IUDs increase the phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus. The copper ion released from IUDs suppress the sperm motility and hence the fertilization capacity of sperm. Hormone releasing IUDs like make a cervix hostile to the sperm, render the uterus unsuitable for implantation. ठीक है, so these are the some IUDs, intrauterine devices. Okay, next we are going to study is the mechanical barrier. So what is the mechanical barrier? In this barrier method, the physical meeting of sperm and ovum is prevented with the help of barriers such are available in males and females. So first we are going to study is males. What? Condoms. Condoms are the barrier made in the thin rubber latex sheath. They are used to cover the penis just before intercourse. Their ejaculated semen is prevented from the entering the cervix and uterus and hence fertilization is prevented. Like in Hindi, Nirod is an example of popular brand of condoms used by male condom and disposable and hence can be used only once. Okay, and the females, like if you talk about females, so female condoms are used by the females and also latex or rubber sheath that are used to cover the cervix and vagina that semen cannot enter to the uterus. They are disposable like condoms for the males. Some other like other barrier include like diaphragms, cervical caps, and the wallets, which are also of rubber. They are inserted in the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during the sexual intercourse or the coitus. They are reusable. Where the advantages of condoms are, they prevent entry the sperm into the female reproductive tract and prevent fertilization and pregnancy. They protects the users for contracting sexual transmitted disease like STDs. They given privacy to the users, as they can be self inserted whenever necessary. So these are the some some methods, like artificial methods and the natural method. Next we are going to start the chemical barrier. What are chemical barriers? The spermicides are the chemical which kill the sperm. Spermicides are available in the form of foam tablets, cream, jellies, etc. They are introduced into the vagina just before sexual intercourse and remain adhered to mucous membrane and immobilize and kill the sperm. The spermicides include chemical like potassium permanganatate, zinc sulfate, boric acid, citric acid, and lactic acid. And there is also a surgical method. Also a surgical method, like they are commonly called sterilization, and the advice to terminal method to prevent any more pregnancy. The principle behind surgical method is to block the transport of gamete from the gonad and hence prevention the fertilization and the pregnancy. So here some diagram which is given for the like sterilization. Here it is, I am talking about sterilization. So the sterilization procedure in male are called vasectomy. In the small portion of the vas deferens is removed and tied up through a small incisors made on the scrotal sac that blocks the transport of the sperm. Okay, and in the sterilization produced in female is called as tubectomy, in which a small portion of fallopian tube is removed and tied up. Okay, and this blocks the movement of ovum or fertilization ovum towards the uterus, and implantation and pregnancy are prevented. Okay, so these are the some surgical method. Injectable and implantation. Implants, like injectables and implants are like female can also be a progesterone alone or in the combination with estrogens in the form of implant under the skin or the injections. They are similar to oral pills in their mode of action, but they are effective periods as much as longer those of pills. Administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination within the 72 hours of coitus has been found to be effective as emergency contraceptives, as they should prevent the possible pregnancy due to the rape or the casual unprotected sexual intercourse. So these are the some chemical, artificial or natural method to prevent the pregnancy. Okay, and there are two diagram which are given. Okay, two diagram are given. This diagram 4.4a and 4.4b. Okay, so you have to understand this diagram. So this is all today we are going to say. Next topic we are going, like next topic is medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. We are going to discuss day after, tomorrow class.